In the previous video, we created this new post, but so far, it's just text. So in this video, I'll show you how to insert a photo to help give this page a little more visual interest. First, I'd like to add an image of the character referenced in this paragraph. So I'll hover my mouse at the top of the paragraph block where I want to insert the image and click Add Block. I'll choose the image block, and now we have some options. We can simply drag an image from our desktop directly into this image block, upload an image, or select an image file we've previously uploaded to our library. So I'll just drag an image from my desktop and drop it onto the image block to upload it to my WordPress site. And now we have some formatting options. We can choose to align the image to the left, center, or right, which will cause our text to wrap around the image. We can also resize the image by dragging the blue handles until the image is the size we want. And finally, I'll click below the image to add a caption. And just like that, we've added an image to our post. Click the More Options button to show the image block settings, where we can add the alternative text description for people who may not be able to see our image. We can also choose whether to use the thumbnail, medium, or full-size image here. Or if you prefer, you can manually enter the dimension in pixels, or even choose a percentage to automatically resize the image. Under Link Settings, you can choose to use this image as a link. For example, you can link to the media file, which means that when your visitors click this image, they'll view the full resolution image, or they can view the image on its own separate page. But you can also link to a custom URL. For example, when visitors click this image, I'd like them to visit the Wikipedia page that talks about this character. So I'll simply paste the URL or web address to the Wikipedia page into the link URL field. Now, you can also specify that the link will open in a new tab in your visitor's web browser, but it's generally a good idea to leave the default link behavior alone, especially for accessibility. All right, now we've added an image to our post, and when our visitors click this image, they'll be taken to the Wikipedia page that we link to. Now, I've got one more image I'd like to add to this post, so I'll scroll down to another paragraph and click the Add Block button. This time, I'll click the Media Library and choose an image that I uploaded ahead of time. Selecting an image will allow you to view and edit the caption, alt text, and description for this image. And when you're ready, click Select to insert the image into the page. Now, this time, I'd like the image to be a little larger. We've got two additional options. Full width will resize the image to fill the entire width of the page, but it'll also automatically scale depending on the size of our reader's web browser or device. Now, this may be a bit large for this image, so I'll choose wide width instead, which is still just a bit larger than the text column. All right, let's click the preview button at the top of the page to see how our post is shaping up. And now that we've added some images, this post is starting to look interesting. In the next video, we'll talk even more about links and also how to create buttons.